Hey everybody, it's Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Right now showing you this gorgeous 2013 Honda Accord EXL. And we don't get too many of these, primarily because they bring so much money at the auctions. But this one I saw and just was very, very impressed with it. And so of course we were able to make a decent purchase and be able to bring it back in and be able to still give you a good reasonable price on it. But you have to see this car to really understand where we're coming from and what I was thinking when I first got into it. But beautiful paint, fully loaded, and look at that interior, extremely clean, very, very well taken care of. 2013 with 136,000 miles on it. That is nicer than most I've seen with 50 and 60,000 miles on them. Check that driver's seat out. I mean, there is no wear on this thing. No stains, no rips, no tears, no cigarette burns. The floor mats are even in excellent shape. But everything works great on it. It has driver and passenger side dual climate control. Of course, the push button start. All your stereo features are here, CD player. And then of course, power sunroof. Letting me know that I'm getting out with the key fob. But tons of room in that back seat. Great set of tires. Of course, the good sized trunk in it. And again, extremely clean. So this is kind of a rare one. Hard thing to find one in this good a shape and at such a reasonable price. But here it is. We've got it right here for you. 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at www.holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. Great financing available for everybody. Warranty is included, and always top dollar for your trades. So give us a call, text, stop by, let us know how we can earn your business. Thanks as always for watching. We look forward to hearing from you.